Hello people, so today we will talk about what Instagram can do in editing our video. So I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a photo with Instagram application. So open your Instagram application right away, and the next thing you need to do is just open your Instagram story section by slide your screen into the right side, and now you will have access to Instagram camera. So you just need to open your photo library and then just add the picture that containing emoji on it. The next thing you need to do is just go click these three small dots and go click draw, and then we just need to adjusting the size of the pen here. So you just need to drag this side into the upper part so that you will get the bigger pen size. Now you just need to go click this color picker, and then you just need to drag the color picker into this specific area that nearest with the emoji section, and now just need to start to scratching it, and this emoji will be slowly disappear. Now we just need to go click done here, and then go click these three small dots again and go click save. So basically that is the way how to remove emoji with Instagram. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.